top meme coin that will make you a millionaire. In this video, I will show you and explain to you what are the top meme coins from different chains that will make you a millionaire. Okay, now look at this meme coin super cycle. Now look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at $23.9 billion, and Shiba Inu is sitting at $16.6 billion. Now it is reported that Shiba Inu did about 16 million percent. Okay, so that means for those that invested even as little as $5, $10, they made millions. So this is to show that it is possible to make millions from top meme coins, but make sure that you understand that it must be a top project that people will be bullish on, and that investor will invest massively in such a way that the little that you invest will end up making you a massive and life-changing profit. Okay, let's look at what are those coins and how to buy them. So these are the two things that will cover in this video. Okay, so the first of this coin is Tuka. Okay, so Tuka is a meme coin project that represents media, Web3 media. So everything that is happening in the Web3 space, political space, crypto space, Tuka is a meme coin project created to cover everything, to report it, and to report it in such a way that there's no censorship, there's no distortion, there's no hidden information. Everything is reported and it's well explained that anybody, a 5-year-old, can understand what Tuka is explaining. Now you can see Tuka market cap is currently sitting at $66 million, and I'm bullish on this. It is listed on Solana chain. Solana meme is listed on Solana chain. All right. So how do we buy it? Okay, before we buy it, I would like you to pay attention to one of the videos that Tuka did. Okay, this is Tuka. Let's watch a video that Tuka did. Okay, let's look at this video.
About a week, crypto has become one of the leading policy issues of this election cycle, with President Trump positioning himself as the pro-crypto, pro-innovation candidate, leaving the Democrats scrambling to save face after years of regulatory uncertainty and anti-crypto rhetoric. Today, we wanted to hear more about his passion for the blockchain. Joining us live, President Trump, thank you for being here.
Terrific to see you, Tucker.
Tell me, why has crypto become such an important issue for you?
Because I want to see America win. When I'm president, I'm going to enshrine your right to self-custody and the right to run your own node. Then we're going to invest in mining infrastructure and do what we can to strengthen the Bitcoin network across our great nation. And
okay, so you can see, you have seen it that, okay, that Tuka is going to be one of the top players meme coin in the meme coin space in this season. So it is a no-brainer to have it as part of your portfolio. How do we buy this? You copy the contract address and go to Jupiter Exchange. This is Jupiter Exchange. But make sure you have Phantom Wallet. This is Solana. This is on Solana chain. Download Phantom Wallet. Check my videos. You see how to download and how to use Jupiter Exchange and Phantom Wallet. Then once you have that, fund it with Sol. Then swap from Sol to any of the tokens to Tuka. Now, in this case, let's assume, okay, we want to swap from Sol to Tuka. Say this is you copy that contract address that I copied and just imputed it here. Now click on select. Let's say I'm buying one Sol. So one Sol will give me 2,405 Tuka. Then I will click on swap, and that will be all. That is how to buy it. So the next project that I'm bullish on is Resistant Dog Redo. Okay, Redo is a project. It's a meme coin project. Okay, it's a leading meme coin project, or the first meme coin project on the Ton chain. And why am I bullish on it? This is because it has a good narrative, it has a good community, and there's a hype around this project as the meme coin project on the first meme coin project on the Ton chain. Okay, is very bullish. It's currently sitting at $59 million market cap. Imagine go as high as 2 billion, 5 billion, and so on. So because I believe Ton chain has the capacity to do that. So how do we buy this? Click on click on the contract address and go to Ston.fi. This Ston.fi. Now, at this time, I assume that you have Tonkeeper wallet, which is the wallet that you use on Tonchain, and Ston.fi is the DEX. So go to Ston.fi and now fund your wallet with Ton, then convert your swap from your wallet to the token that I'm talking about. Okay, this is Redo. Now let's assume we want to buy 10 units of Ton. Okay, let's say we want to buy 15 units of Ton. Let's say 16. Okay, we want to buy 16 units of want to buy 16 units. We want to convert 16 ton to Redo to give us 167 Redo. Now convert and keep. That's simply how to do that. So the next project is when is this is a meme coin project that gave everything out to the community, and it's more than an NFT. It's more than a meme coin project. Okay, it's a project that believe in the power of community, and everything from the onset has been community driven. So a lot of persons believe that this project, I also believe that this project will do massively well. They have an NFT standard, they have a lot of things. So I believe when will be one of it's representing when culture. Like people say, when is the launch? So that is the culture it's representing. So I believe when will be one of the projects that will do well. How do we buy when? How to buy when? Copy the contract address, and go to Jupiter again and swap from Sol to swap from Sol to Isuson Solana chain. Let's say we are buying 1 unit of when to give us now under 709,000 of when 1 unit of so will give us 909 709,000 when. All right. So the next project that I think we do massively well is Dog with Heart. Dog with Heart. Dog with Heart as is already doing massively well. Okay, it has done massively well because it's currently sitting at 3.7, but I think it's a top project in this cycle. Imagine the leading project, in the meme coin cycle, the meme coin industry or category is sitting at $23 billion. The next one, which is Shiba, is sitting at $16.5 billion. So I also believe that that when we also play a catch up. With will also play a catch up. So what to do, how to buy? This is listed. It's either you buy through Jupiter Exchange, as I've been trying to explain. Okay, it's either you buy through Jupiter Exchange because it's listed on the Solana chain. Okay, let's say we are buying 1 unit to give us $45, or you buy on the chain. Dog with Heart is on the on it's listed on different exchanges, almost all the leading exchanges. Binance is listing it, Get.io is listing it, okay, and like you can buy from centralized exchanges, and you will be fine. All right. So the next project that I believe we do amazingly well is Popcat. Popcat is a leading cat team project, Bitcoin project on the Solana chain, and it has a good community, and there's also a hype. These are the tests I have. Popcat, let's look at their handle. Popcat, okay, Popcat handle. Okay, so I think this Popcat handle. So you can see that it has 23. Okay, it has 23 thousand followers. So a lot of persons are bullish on Popcat, and I believe it's going to do it. You can see that dog we've had is also following it. So Popcat will be a leading project. How do we buy Popcat? To buy Popcat, go and copy the control address, and it's a Solana chain meme coin. Then swap from say we are buying 1 unit of Popcat. This will give us 343 units of Popcat. All right. So Popcat, okay, you can see that it's currently sitting at a $493,000 market cap. It's big, but I believe it has much more potential. It has a higher potential. So the next project is Gummy. Gummy is representing snacks and gummy, like normal snacks that people buy on daily basis. So that is the culture that gummy is representing. People like more. Gummy is seems to be addictive, and one of the most bullish thing about gummy is that it's a project of crypto banter. Okay, let's look at gummy and see. It's a project by Crypto Banter, and Crypto Banter is a leading brand, is a leading influencer in the crypto space, and Crypto Banter is a leading Web3 media in the crypto space. So combine this, and you know that marketing is key, okay, to the success of any project. And Tuka and Gomi has marketing edge, has marketing advantage, and this is one of the reasons I believe that both of them, both Tuka and Gomi, are going to do well in this cycle, and it's good to be okay. It's good to have gummy in your portfolio, but don't be addictive to gummy. So they have a lot of offers. They have a lot of airdrop currently going on gummy, and I think it's going to do well too. So let's look at gummy and see where it can be bought from. Okay, aside from buying from Jupiter Exchange, let's say I want to buy gummy here from Jupiter Exchange, copy the contact address and paste. So that will give us this gummy. Let's say we are buying 1 unit of Solana, 1 unit worth of gummy to give us 2,354 gummy, and we swap, and that will be it. So aside from buying from DEX, you can buy from SEX, centralized exchanges, and on centralized exchanges we have it on Bybit, have it on Mexi, HTX, we have it on different places. So look for an exchange that suits you, an exchange that you believe is better than the other, and use it to buy. But it's good to have a piece of gummy. So the next project that we'll look at is bread. Bread. The only reason I'm adding bread to be among is that there's a lot of influencers talking about bread. Okay, but let's look at what it is, what the channel. Let's look at the channel. Let's look at the account on Twitter. Okay, Brett, look at the account on Twitter. Okay, so this is the account of Brett on Twitter. All right. So a legendary character inspired by Matt Furry Boys Club comic, just like Pepe. Don't miss the next billion. So this is the narrative they are trying to create is that they are trying to create the next Pepe. And what is it about Pepe? Okay, let's look at this. Pepe is currently sitting at $6.3 billion. Okay, so what they are indirectly saying is that bread may likely have that kind of valuation, may likely have that kind of valuation. Um, yeah, so anything is possible in the crypto space, and you can choose to hold some of this project. So it is listed on Ethereum chain. It's an Ethereum chain meme coin project. So to buy it, copy the contract address and go to Uniswap. Now you should by now you have Metamask as a wallet, or you have Rabi.io as a wallet. Then swap from your Ether, so it will give you. So let's say you buy 0.2 unit of 0.05 of bread, so to give you a 5,000 4,532 bread. Okay, then you swap, and that will be all. And that will be all. So the next project that I think is a top project is Bonk. Bonk is currently sitting at 2.5 billion dollars, and I think it will become something. It has a higher potential than this. Okay, so one, this Bonk as a project is in partnership with Solana chain. Okay, and they were the first set of meme coin project that did airdrop to um Solana phones season one chapter one order. Those that pre-ordered had Bonk as an airdrop, and I think that made made the project transparent, and it made people investors to think that the project will be a project that is community driven, and because of that, investor came in on board, and this project has been growing, and I think it has more potential. That's more potential. as they have a good marketing strategy. To buy it, this listed on different exchange. If you want to buy it from SEX, you have Binance is listening, Mexi, Get to the IO, a lot of other platforms are listening. But to buy on Jupiter, you come to your Jupiter exchange and click and Facebook. Let's say we are buying 1 unit of SOL worth of bunk. This will give us 4.6 million bunk. Then you swap and you have your bunk. All right. Okay, let's look at the last but not the least top project that I think we do wonders is MAGA. Trump make America great again. This is Donald Trump slogan, campaign slogan. Okay, MAGA is in a category or meme coin category called Politify. Okay, Politify are meme coin created to represent different characters or different issues in the political space. And you understand that the US is a leading country when it comes to crypto landscape. Okay, so their politics has a way of influencing the global crypto landscape. All right, so that means creating meme coins to represent those characters in their political landscape can impact what become of crypto and can also do amazingly well. You see, with the market cap is currently sitting at $644 million. Okay, and it is listed on Ethereum. Okay, it is listed on Ethereum, and you can also buy it from Solana and BNB chain. Okay, let's say we want to buy from Ethereum, we copy the contact address. Let's say we want to buy from Uniswap, and you go to Uniswap, then we convert to MAGA. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, here we have it. Trump is here. Let's say we are buying 0.09. What will it give us? That's still $40. So to give us 4,000, okay, 4 units of Trump. Interesting. Was 24 units of Trump. And there we have it. So aside from buying from there, we have other places you can buy from. I think probably it's listed on another. Oh, amazing. We have L Bank listing it, Mexis listing it, ConX listing it, Bitman listing it, and a lot of other platforms are listing it. So you can buy it from, you can choose to buy it from centralized exchanges or from DEX. But I always believe it that for you to buy meme coin, you should use DEX because it's secure, and you get to learn how to use DEX too. All right. So these are the top meme coin project that I believe will make you a millionaire in this cycle. If you find this list interesting and helpful, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel and share with your friends so that they can also benefit from the knowledge. There's a video on the top meme coin projects to hold on Tonchain. Kindly check it out. It's educative and you learn